What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Fantastic. Thank you so much for your subscription, your likes, and your comments. I hope and expect the same on this video. Thank you guys so much. Please, before continuing to watch this video, just hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if you have already subscribed, just hit the like button just for me, please, so I can just bring you guys more content, more ways of making delicious foods. So today we're making, oh, it's a mouthful. I had to write it down because I can't remember a long name, so I wrote it down on my phone. But we're making extreme loaded tandoori chicken fries. Extreme loaded tandoori chicken fries. That's what we're making today. I hope that they taste just as good as the name of that tandoori chicken fries. I mean, everyone loves tandoori chicken, but tandoori chicken fries, I'm sure everyone has tried fries. I'm sure everyone in their life, maybe once, more than once, has eaten fries in their life, but this is something different. This is gonna be on the next level. So the other one was made by my babi, and then this one is gonna be made by my other babi. Time to try out the fries. And of course you can put ranch on the side and whatever you like, but like the main thing, I'm just wondering how the chicken is gonna taste like chicken and fries, and like all that cheesy stuff in there. It's making me mouth all like watery and stuff. Like I want to eat it. All right, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna stop talking and eat it. It's good. I wasn't expecting this. I was not expecting it to be this good. I'm not trying to hate, I'm not trying to take sides. I was not expecting it to be this good. Chicken is on point. See guys, these are like fresh fries because we cut the tomatoes. We don't make fries out of tomatoes. Potatoes, like fresh potato. It's like fresh fries with marinated chicken, fried chicken. It's really, really good. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat this. Psych! Guys, I like spices, but like right now at the moment, I don't want that dua burning in the bathroom, so I'm sorry for my language, but like I'm not trying to like, I'm trying to go poop in peace, you know? Don't get me wrong, I do like spices, but not like, I'm not crazy like I'll just eat a jalapeno just like that, just because I like spices. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you know when I upload a video. True fans, true Khayam TV fans, I love you guys. Thank you so much. Peace out.